Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So today we are going to talk about skills 5. In skills 5, it is about coordinate connectors. So coordinate connectors, it is such as and, but, or, and, so. So take a look at for this one. The sun was shining and the sky was blue. So we have the subject as the sun, was as a shining, and also the sky as a subject, and was blue as the verb. It is conjoined with the conjunction and. Now, so what about but? The sky was blue, but it was very cold. Okay, so the point of this connector is the pattern of the sentence is very in the same pattern. We have the sky as a subject, was blue as a verb. It as a subject was very cold as a verb. Okay, and then so we have also this one. It may rain tonight, or it may be clear. So the same structure. It may rain. It may be clear. Okay, and then for the last one is it was raining, so I took my umbrella. It was raining, so I took my umbrella. So take a look at this. Even though that there is a was verb in, so it's just like what the effect of what we are doing, what we've done, what something happened. It was raining, so I took my umbrella. Okay, so take a look at what this one. I forgot my coat. Blah blah blah. I got very cold. So it's just like it could be identified just like this. I forgot my coat. So or then. Of course, so because of this kind of situation, so this is the effect. I forgot my coat, so I got very cold. Okay, next, take a look at for the exercise 5 about number 1. Correct. The lawn needs water every day, or it will turn brown. Nah, take a look at for this. Subject, verb. Subject, verb. Followed with this or. Because there is an option. Yeah, needs water. Or, if there's no water, it will turn brown. Okay? And so what about this one? It is identified as incorrect. So you have to figure out which one is incorrect in this session. Okay, for number 1, number 2. The book was not long, but it's difficult to read. So, where is the wrong one? Because we have the book as a subject, was as a verb. And what about this? Can you find out the subject? It. Can you find out the verb? Do you think that the verb is to read? No, you were wrong. Totally wrong. So, it will be correct if the answer is but it was. Nah, jadi ada to be-nya di sini atau verbnya. Verbnya apa? Verbnya was. The book was not long, but it was difficult to read. Nah, oke ya, paham ya? Okay, so what about number 3? For number 3, it was raining. So, I decided not to go camping. So, do you think it is correct or incorrect? For number 3, subject, please analyze. Subject, was as a verb. So what about in this one? Did you find out where is a verb? This is verb. But the question is, where is subject? There's no subject. Nah, so it is incorrect. So the correct one will be, it was raining, so we decided not to go camping. Okay, number 4. Number 4. The material has been cut and the pieces have been sewn together. So, where is the connector? This. So what about the sentence? Is it correct or incorrect? The material has been cut. Okay, subject and verb. So what about this? The pieces have been sewn. Correct? Correct. Both of them, the same structure. Okay, this is correct. Number 5. The patient took all the medicine. He did not feel much better. So what about number 5? You think that number 5 is correct? No, it is not correct. Because what? Because there is no, there is no connector or conjunction. Tidak ada kata hubungnya. Oke. Nomor yang ini akan benar jika seperti apa? The patient took all the medicine, but pertentangan ya. But he didn't feel much better. Nomor 6. The bill must be paid immediately or the electricity will be turned off. So, number 6. Is it correct or incorrect? Yes, it is correct. Be paid, be turned. Okay. Number 7. The furnace broke, so the house got quite cold. The furnace broke, so the house got quite cold. Nomor 7. Benar apa salah? Sepertinya benar ya, tapi dalam hal ini salah. Kenapa? Karena tidak ada koma di situ. Nah, koma itu ngaruh. Nah, harusnya ada koma di sini. The furnace broke, koma, so the house got quite cold. Number 8. The dress did not cost too much, but quality it seemed excellent. Number 8, it is correct or incorrect? Okay, what about this? Correct? Yes, correct. Subject, verb. Conjunction. Okay, good, conjunction. But what about this? Is it correct? Incorrect. Why it is incorrect? Because there is double subject. Subjek yang mana? The quality, and it. Jadi, it-nya harus dihilangkan. But the quality seemed excellent. Nomor 9. The leaves kept falling off the trees and the boys kept racking them up, but the yard was still covered. So please analyze the sentence. Correct or not? Subject. Ada subjeknya. Ada subjek juga. Ada verb kept. Ada verb kept. Ada verb was. So, the answer is correct. Number 10. The mail carrier has already delivered the mail. So, the letter is not going to arrive today. It probably will arrive tomorrow. So, is it correct or incorrect for number 10? Okay, so the answer is incorrect. Why? Because there is no conjunction. Yes, conjunction. But the question is, where should we put a conjunction? We should put the conjunction here. So the letter is not going to arrive today, and it probably will arrive tomorrow. Okay, so that is for conjunction, and I hope you guys can try to do another exercise for another exercise in this session, and then so we will see for the next video and for the next skills. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.